What are the best ways to move single moms of young children in Arizona to financial self-sufficiency? How do we bring together cross-sector partners to address the rising problems of obesity and diabetes in Cochise County? And how will we know if we're succeeding? What do families on the Navajo Nation need to better support their young children's health and development? How do we make cooperative extensions youth programming more welcoming for youth from all backgrounds? Good evening. My name is Michele Walsh, and I'm an associate professor in family studies and human development and the state cooperative extension specialist for evaluation. I lead the community research evaluation and development, or CRED, team, thank you, in the Norton School. And these are a few of the many questions that we've worked with campus and community partners to address just this past year. We're all being asked to demonstrate the public impact we're having in our work these days. With resources tightening and the need for accountability high, it's a question on everybody's mind. In fact, as the state's land-grant university, it's our mission to drive social, cultural, and economic impact. So for those of us in the university system, we get impact questions from our directors and our deans and from our funders and legislators. For our community partners, those questions are coming from the people they serve and their funders and their legislators. So how do we decide what we should be doing about these thorny social issues? And how do we know if what we're doing is making any difference? We are proposing to develop a center that builds capacity for data-driven program and policy decision-making across the state. This center will integrate and build on the undergraduate social service training with graduate-level professional evaluation training, including an accelerated 4+1 master's for Norton School students, giving them yet another appealing reason to major here. We'll also offer a professional certificate program. Again, this could be a stackable credential based on some of the work proposed earlier that would provide deeper training in evaluation skills for nonprofit, public, and private sector partners. Our goal is to provide students and community partners with applied skills in program planning, evaluation, and data visualization that will let them critically examine and improve their programs and policies and to better tell the story of the work that they're doing throughout Arizona. We're not starting from scratch. We're going to build on the research and outreach strengths of the Norton School faculty. Think Francis McClellan Institute, the Take Charge America Institute, the other faculty who are doing a lot of this applied outreach. We're also going to build on the program planning and evaluation expertise of the CRED team of faculty and professional evaluators that we have here. As you heard earlier, evaluation as a skill set itself is in high demand amongst our students and amongst community partners. And the evaluation skill set of the CRED team is pretty sought after, even if I do say so myself. We have successfully partnered with campus-based and local, state, and national community partners in over $17.5 million in funding in the last 4 years alone. We're only limited by our capacity as an informal research lab. The center we're proposing will consolidate and take this expertise, both ours and that across the Norton School, to scale by developing infrastructure to support and grow these statewide collaborations and by working to build the next generation of evaluation scholars and practitioners. We'll also leverage Arizona Cooperative Extension's presence in communities in each county and within 5 of the Native nations to provide students with paid externships in rural areas and to offer on-site and online professional training to community organizations. We'll be providing students with opportunities to learn and practice in real-life scenarios outside of the classroom while providing rural community groups who are often operating on a shoestring with skilled practical assistance. In this way, the center and the Norton School will be able to redefine sorry, I'm getting my time here, to redefine community collaboration and to advance the UA's strategic plan by strengthening and deepening our ecosystem of partnerships throughout the state. Specifically, the center will help support economic and community development across Arizona by providing students and community-based staff, including extension faculty and staff, with the skills and tools they need to effectively design health and social service interventions and policies, and to assess whether these are achieving their intended outcomes and impacts in a sustainable way. Thank you.